to discuss environmental management accounting as part of our environmental accounting course. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Meri Anggraini, student ID number 2341 from the Management 23D class. Understanding environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is a process that involves recording, measuring, and reporting costs associated with the environmental impacts of a company's activities. Eco-efficiency concept. Eco-efficiency is a concept that integrates economic performance and environmental performance, emphasizing that profitability and environmental responsibility shall go hand in hand. It highlights that maintaining a balance between economic gains and environmental sustainability is essential and views environmental consideration not as a burden but as a source of competitive advantage. Ultimately, eco-efficiency supports the achievement of sustainable development by encouraging business to create value while minimizing their environmental impact. Factor driving eco-efficiency. Several factors drive the implementation of eco-efficiency, including the growing consumer preference for environmentally friendly products, higher employee productivity in companies that prioritize environmental responsibility, and the potential to reduce company costs such as insurance and capital expense. Furthermore, eco-efficiency contributes to improve public health, encourage business innovation, and enhance a company's competitiveness in the market. Environmental costs. Environmental costs refer to expenses that rise as a result of environmental damage caused by companies' operational activities. Types of environment include the first, natural environment, such as air and water pollution. Second, economic environment, such as economic risks and business losses. 3. Social environment, such as public protests. Number 4. Political environment, such as taxes and government policies. Number 5. Cultural environment, such as the disruption of social values. Classification of environmental costs. Environmental costs are classified into four main categories. Number 1. Prevention costs. These are costs incurred to prevent environmental damage from occurring. Examples include employee training and designing environmentally friendly products. Number 2. Detection costs. These costs are used to monitor and assess environmental conditions. Examples include inspecting raw materials and production process. Number 3. Internal failure costs. These are costs arising from damage that occurs before the product reaches the customer. An example is defective product identified during the production process. Number 4. External failure costs. These costs occur due to damage after the product has been used by customer. Examples include environmental pollution and legal claims from the public. Environmental management accounting. Environmental management accounting is an accounting system used to identify, manage, and control environmental-related costs. It also supports better decision-making process. EMA focus on cost efficiency, environmental impact reduction, and consider the entire product life cycle. Benefits of environmental management accounting. Environmental management accounting provides several important benefits. It helps reduce operational costs, support manager in making better decisions, enhance overall business performance, satisfies stakeholder expectation, and creates a competitive advantage for the company. Information from EMA is used for Information derived from EMA can be used for various purposes, such as preventing environmental pollution, designing environmentally friendly products, conducting product life cycle analysis, managing sustainable supply chain, complying with environmental standards such as ISO 14001, and evaluating environmental performance. Conclusion of material. Environmental management accounting is an approach used by companies to identify, measure, and manage environmental costs arising from their operation. Its implementation is essential because businesses are not only profit oriented but also responsible for their environmental and social impacts. Thus, eco-efficiency companies can balance economic and environmental performance, making operation more efficient and sustainable. Environmental costs such as prevention, detection, internal failure, and external failure must be properly managed to maintain profitability. EMA support better managerial decision making, improve cost efficiency, and creates competitive advantage. In addition, the triple bottom line concept, profit, people, planet, emphasize that business success is measured not only by profit but also by contribution to society and environmental sustainability. Therefore, companies that effectively balance economic, social, and environmental aspects are more likely to achieve long-term growth and support sustainable development. Okay, that's all the material we're covering. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.